In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your recovery key or how to add any recovery key as your recovery key on Apple ID. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to the settings on your phone. So once you go to settings, I want you to go to your Apple ID account. So you can do so by clicking on the name at the top. So just tap on your name at the top. Once you tap on your name, it will take you to this page. So on this page, you want to click on sign in and security. So once you tap on sign in and security, to take you to this page. On this page, what you want to do here, you want to look for where we have recovery key and tap on it. So let's tap on recovery key here. So once you tap on recovery key, it will ask you, are you sure you really want to do this? Tap on continue. Once you tap on continue, it will ask you to put in your phone passcode. Once you do that, it will show you your recovery key. As you can see, this is my recovery key on my Apple ID. You can actually change this, or you can change it. So what you want to do here, you just want to tap on continue under here. So once you tap on continue, it will ask you to put in the recovery key you want. So this is how you can actually add any recovery key to your Apple ID, or you can actually see your recovery key on your Apple ID.